Magandang gabi, Pilipinas! Hello, world! And syempre pa, once again, Josmar Hay Nabanggi. Mga kasurog, ito pa rin po ang inyong paboritong Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Hatid po sa inyo ng ating mahal na Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. Ayan, punong-puno na tayo dito. Punong-puno na yung mga bleachers ng Ateneo Denaga Gymnasium dahil mapupuno din ng aksyon dahil sa tapatan ng ating susunod na match-up ngayong gabi. Partner,
Magandang gabi sa iyo. At syempre partner, bago tayo dumako sa ating laro, pahapyawan muna natin ang ating current team standings para sa nangungunang team sa ating Bigatin quarterfinals.
ayan, sige, ito yung latest Ayan, sa ating bracket A dito sa ating Bigatin quarterfinals, nangunguna po ang Naga na mapapalaban ngayon sa team ng Nambua na ayan na, nag-warm up na po dito sa likod natin. Naga, merong kartadang 3 panalo, wala pang talo. Ang Sangay nanalo against Milaor kanina, so 3-1 na ang Sangay. Samantalang ang Nabua ay still looking for another win. Again, kontra nga dito sa much powerful team na Naga. Meron silang kartadang 2 wins and 1 loss. Samantalang ang Lupi ay natapos na po dahil meron silang 1 win, 3 talo. Ang Milaor po ay umuwi kanina ng walang panalo dito sa ating quarterfinals Bigatin. Sa bracket B naman po, Kamaligan pa rin ang nangunguna, 3 wins, 0 loss. Goa, 2 wins, 1 loss. Iriga, ganun din, 2 wins and 1 loss. San Fernando, merong 1 panalo, pero mayroong 2 talo. Ang Del Gallego po, wala ring naipanalo dito sa ating Bigatin quarterfinals.
Yes partner, this is indeed a very exciting ball game. Yan ang ating current team standing sa ating tournament. And para naman sa huling laro ngayong gabi, magtatapatan ang powerhouse and home court team Naga versus sa kupunan ng team Nabua. And partner, bago ang lahat, magpakilala muna tayo. Ako nga pala si John Bachiller at your service. Kasama ko ang aking partner na si Gapa, Alex Madronio.
Ayan,
para ihatid sa inyo ang labanang Nabua versus Naga City.
And I'm very honored to be with you once again, partner John Batsilyer.
Yes.
Sa labang ito, this is going to be an epic game between Naga and Nabua.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Very vital itong larong ito. So, pakatutukan natin. And siyempre, partner,
Marami tayong tanong eh.
yes, marami ang Naga still dominating our league talaga. So, ano ang dapat gawin ng Nabua in order for them to gain a win against this powerhouse Naga City?
I think very basic. Naga is known for their offensive prowess. So, kukontrahin mo lang naman yan ng defensive prowess. Yun ang dapat gawin ng Nabua dito. Team Nabua. They have to double or even triple their efforts para madepensahan ang opensa nitong Naga for them to have a chance na maipanalo ang laban na ito ngayong gabi.
Yes, for sure, magiging maganda ang larong ito. And that's a very good observation, partner. And syempre, this will be an unpredictable match. Kaya, ito partner, completing our panel is, our third member of the panel is Miss Jessa para kapanayamin ang ating mga coaches ng bawat kupunan. Jessa, coaches, magandang gabi sa inyo.
Ayan, thank you so much, Coach John and Kapa Morgs. Welcome back mga kasurog, still here at Ateneo Gymnasium for the second game for tonight between Naga versus Nabua. Sa pagpapatuloy nga ng quarterfinals, we are getting closer and closer to the most anticipated semifinals of Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur na pinangunahan na nga ng Team Sangay. And of course, brought to you by Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page, Ako Bicol Online TV at Ako Bicol YouTube channel. So this has been once again Jasmine Navalas, your courtside correspondent for this game. So I am with Sir Chano Morano of Naga and Coach Mark Desal of Nabua to give us a quick conversation from about their respective team. Magandang gabi, coaches. Ayan, so this is the last week of quarterfinals. So kamustahin natin yung experience ng bawat team. So let's start with Team Nabua.
First of all, I would like to thank yung Ako Bicol, no, for having us dito sa tournament na to. And hopefully sa amin, sa part ng Nabwa, hopefully this is a crucial game for us. We need to win this battle, And then in terms of adjustment, I cannot tell you the total but I'm sure na yung Nabwa will fight until the end and until the last buzzer.
And how about you, Coach? Kamusta yung experience ng Naga being undefeated?
Oh yeah, being undefeated, we always keep telling our boys not to get too high or too low. We just have to stay focused, especially on defense, kasi we do believe in any given day we can lose a game if we play complacent or relaxed. Kaya we told them keep focused, follow the game plans of the coaches, because it's what do you call this? The semifinals is just around the corner, so we need to stay focused with this. Okay, that's it.
Ayan, thank you for that, coaches. Nabanggit nga ni Coach Mark kanina lang that this is a crucial game for both teams. So pahapyawan nyo naman po kami sa dapat abangan ng ating mga basketball fans ngayong gabi.
Yes, as I mentioned, I cannot tell you the details as of now, but we focus on defense. We all know Naga, meron silang 3 combo guards, and yun lang. Sa ngayon, yun lang muna.
Ayan, mukhang kaabang-abang ang ipapakita ng Team Naba. How about po sa team ng Naga?
Actually, kung titingnan mo, mas malalaki sila ngayon sa amin. We have only 3 big men. So, I don't know. The coaches knows the game plan. We practiced this during our practices last week. So, hopefully, we'll get the victory this time. Sana manalo.
Yes, and as I said po kanina, that this is the last week of quarterfinals. At may gusto ko po ba kayong i-shoutout ngayon or pasalamatan?
Yes, first of all, gusto kong pasalamatan yung aming mayor sa Nabwa, Mayor Fern Simbulan. Thank you sa suporta. And then ang aming councilor, si Councilor Dr. Roman Ladaw. Thank you po. And then gusto ko lang batiin yung aking tatay, ng aking father na nandito sa venue ng Happy Father's Day. So thank you sa lahat. And then shout out ko na rin yung aking mga kaibigan from Norte sa Engineer MJ Hirminila, tapos si Sir Aldwin Intal and Roel Makaraig. Yan.
Ayan, thank you so much, Sir Mark. How about you po, Coach?
Yeah, gusto ko lang ibatiin yung wife ko sa daughter ko sa Sacramento, California. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Kristen. Happy birthday. I'll see you guys soon, maybe next week. Okay? Love you. Bye-bye.
Ayan, and of course, advance Happy Father's Day po, Coach and Sir. So, best of luck po, coaches. So, kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo, mga kasurog? Catch us alive here at Ateneo Gymnasium. So, that's the latest for now. Back to you, Coach John and Kapa Morgs.
Maraming salamat, Miss Jessa, sa update, and sa mga coaches. Magandang gabi sa inyo, and maraming salamat sa insights kanina. And partner,
Nakakatama ng puso na nakakarating pala tayo sa Sacramento, California.
Yes, partner. Tama ka dyan, partner. Dumako naman tayo sa ating kasurog matchup for tonight's ball game, partner.
Pero bago yan, advance Happy Father's Day muna.
Ayaw nga, wala, partner. Tama ka dyan. Yun ang ating kasurog matchup for tonight, partner.
Oo, ito yung ating kasurog matchup for tonight for Naga. By the way, mga kasurog, ito po ay base sa naging previous games ng bawat teams. For Team Naga, nakalaban nilang huli ay ang Lupi, samantalang ang Nabwa naman yung Milaor. So for our kasurog player matchups, we have Rufino Bang Sablaon na merong 67% sa 2-point average kontra sa 45% ni Francis Austin Redondo. And sa 3-point average naman, mayroong 41% itong si Bang Sablaon. At ito nagkaroon siya ng 100% shooting from behind the free throw line noong last nilang laro against Lupi. So, i-expect natin na magiging ganun pa rin ang magiging free throw shooting nitong si Bang Sablaon. Alright, and samantalang itong si Francis Austin Redondo ay nagkaroon lang ng 70% against Team Milaor. At sa assist naman, 4.7 ang na-dish out nitong si Bang Sablaon. Samantalang si Francis Redondo ay 2%. Sa rebounds, nakakalamang dito si Francis Redondo dahil meron siyang 5.3, samantalang 2% lang itong si Bang Sablaon. Pero sa average points naman, nakakalamang ng 4 itong si Rufino Bang Sablaon with 20.3%, kontra sa 16.3% itong si Francis Austin Redondo.
Yes, partner, kaabang-abang ang ating kasurog matchup for tonight's ball game. At para naman sa dalawang kupunan na magtatapat sa ating huling laro ngayong gabi, tapatang home team Powerhouse Naga City kontra sa Nabwa. At ito ang kanilang mga team stats sa kanilang previous games.
Oo, and again, tama, against their previous games sa Naga, against Lupi, they average 53% sa 2 points, and yung team Nabwa naman 45% against Milaor. Sa 3-point average, nakakalamang ang team Nabwa with 44% kontra sa 40% ng Naga. Sa free throw naman, nakakalamang ang Naga with 64% kontra sa 55% ng Team Nabwa. Sa offensive rebounds, nakakalamang ng bahagya itong Team Naga, 12% kontra 11% ng Team Nabwa. And sa defensive rebounds naman, 29 sa Naga, 27 naman sa Nabwa. And sa assist, 19 sa Naga, 15 sa Nabwa. Steals, 9.7 sa Naga at 7 naman para sa Team Nabwa. Turnover, mas marami ng konti. Konting-konti lang yung disparity. 16.3 para sa Naga kontra sa 15 ng kupunan ng Nabwa.
At yun na nga ang ating team stats for tonight's ball game. Yun na nga, partner, wag na natin patagalin to. Labanang Nabwa versus Naga City, and bigay na natin sa ating arena announcer na si JV ang larong ito. JV, the floor is yours.
Once again, Marhay Nabugi, Bicol Laja. This is still day 43 of ang Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur. Brought to you by Congressman Salico at ng Bicol Portuguese. Matawag na kasunod pa. We welcome you once again inside the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium for our final game matchups for our quarterfinals. Our last game between Team Naga versus Team Nabwa. For the starters, let's first start with Team Naga. Our power forward, wearing jersey number 10, Samuel Madridano. Wearing jersey number 17, shooting forward, Jojo Asuel. Our shooting guard number 18, Jerome Almario. Our point guard number 28, Joshua William Blor. And center number 31, Aymar Sampaio. The head coach for Team Naga, Mr. Luki Sabio. And for the starters for Team Nabwa, we have our point guard number 1, Jumel Ligamo. Shooting guard for jersey number 2, Eric Hernandez. Shooting forward for jersey number 9, Francis Redondo. And for the center, wearing jersey number 15, Christian Peron. Power forward number 28, Peter Melitario Jr. For the head coach for Team Nabwa, Mr. Mark Gasal. And officiating officials for this ball game, Good Chief Edmond Paraon, Upper 1, Bonano Chimasera, Upper 2, CJ Sanchez. This is your Uncle Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur, Ating Go!
And ito na nga po ang ating, kung sa boxing ay main event for tonight, ang tapatan ng Naga at ng Nabwa. And this is going to be a very crucial game dito po sa kaganapan ng ating bigaten quarterfinals.
Yes, partner. Again, ako po si John Bachiller at your service kasama ang aking partner na si Kuya Alex Modronio aka Kapa to bring you this quality basketball bigay sa atin ng Ako Bicol Party List at ni Congressman Saldico.
Unang attempt mula kay Madridano, pero that one was a miss for Team Naga.
And another turnover on the part of Nabwa, partner. Yes, partner, donning the blue jerseys are Naga City and yung white and blue para naman sa mga taga Nabwa.
Halos identical ang colors nitong dalawang teams, kaya tayo nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Cup dahil baliktaran ng mga jerseys nito. Yung kung saan yung isa ay pwedeng maging light, yung isa naman ay magiging dark.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na si Aymar Sabayo training the first blood sa ating laro.
Si Aymar Sabayo ba yun?
Yes, much to the delight of the bench. Kaya talaga opening our scoring with the 3-point bomb.
Seldom kasing nakikita ko si Aymar na tumitira sa tres.
Ayan na, partner. Naga is rushing. Naga gives the ball to Asuer. Open for 3. No good. Rebound by Almario. And the ball was stolen by Bernales. But there is Aymar crashing for those loose balls. And yun na nga. Very aggressive si Aymar as early as first quarter, partner.
Yes,
14 seconds to shoot.
Partner, as you've noticed, medyo tinapatan ng Nabwa ang lineup ng Naga. Naglagay din sila ng two-guard lineup
tama.
with the likes of Digamo, Bernales, and si Velitario.
And halos sa bigs halos magkapatas lang yung dalawang kupunan.
Tama ka dyan. Evenly match ang height ng dalawang kupunan. Yan si Bernales. Will be a vital cause on the part of Nabwa. Draining a long 3. Misses the shot, but there is Villaflor to grab the second rebound. Ayan na si high-scoring guard Almario against Bernales. Swings the ball to Asuer. Drops to Madridano against Velitario. Scoring for 2. What a good ball movement on the part of Naga City, partner.
Yeah, ipinapakita kaagad nila kung gaano sila ka-organized pagdating sa mga ganitong kompetisyon.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Redondo. Double team by Naga City. Stripped by Almario. Almario flies and scores for 2.
And ayan na naman. Sabi ko nga kanina, Nabwa needs to defend double time, pero mukhang hindi yun ang nakikita natin sa early goings ng ating ball game.
Digamo fires and drains a 3-point bomb.
Yun. Very relaxed itong si Digamo.
Tama ka dyan, partner.
Training that 3-point shot.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Talagang when he is inside the court, talagang very relaxed itong point guard ng Nabwa. Ayan na, Sabayo again at the post. Spin, Sabayo against Redondo. And
Yan
powers
ang
his
mga
way.
move ng Aymar Sabayo.
Grabe naman, partner. Classic Aymar Sabayo at your service. Ayan na, meron tayong pressure defense sa binibigay ng Naga City. Ayan na si Redondo, a big man who has a good handles. Binigay ang bola kay Velitario. Drops it off, but there is Aymar to intercept the pass.
That's a bad pass. And another bad pass.
Villaflor, medyo nanggigil doon. Nakita niya open teammate ni si Sam Madridano. But Sam did not complete the possession.
Yeah, cannot handle that strong pass.
Yes, the score is 9-3 in favor of Naga City with 6 minutes and 57 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Ayan na si Beron, gives the ball to Digamo against Villaflor. Digamo fakes, gives to Redondo. Top of the key 3. No good. Rebound, nakuha ni Villaflor. Third rebound.
Almost 4 minutes gone by sa ating first quarter. 9 ang score ng Naga, 3 sa Nabwa.
Very electrifying. Ayan na si Aymar again for 3. Irons it. Rebound ni Beron. Very exciting and electrifying first quarter.
Yes,
ang meron tayo, partner.
indeed. That's what we expect from this ball game.
Ayan na.
That's a
And
traveling.
That's a traveling again.
Turnover.
So it's another turnover on the part of Team Nabwa. All right, and we will be having Miss Jessa May as early as now dahil magkakaroon tayo ng konting tech interview. So ipasok na natin si Miss Jessa May Navales. Jessa May, come in please.
Well, thank you, Coach John and Kapa Morgs. Here with me is one of the technical committee of Ako Bicol Cup, Coach Paulo Benyas, to enlighten us about the possible scenarios of this crucial ball game towards the upcoming semifinals.
Ayan,
Actually, magkakaroon tayo ng triple tie if Nabwa wins against Naga. Same scenario sa other bracket. And if Nabwa loses to Naga, papasok ang Sangay sa semifinals. Yun lang. And Naga will be the top seeded. Twice to beat sila sa semis. Yun lang.
so balik na rin natin, what if ang Nabwa ang manalo?
If Nabwa wins, magkakaroon nga ng triple tie.
Oo.
Point differential ang magiging basihan. Si triple tie sila ng Sangay, Nabwa, and Naga.
Yes,
So who has the better chances of getting into much coveted seat sa ating semifinals sa tatlong teams na yan?
Actually, Naga, win or lose, sila ang magiging top seed sa bracket na to. Kasi malaki yung lamang nila against Sangay. Yung lamang naman ng Sangay against Nabwa, konti lang, 3 points. So either manalo ang Sangay ng by any points, papasok ang Nabwa kapag nag-triple tie. Malalaglag yung Sangay.
Malalaglag yung Sangay. If mananalo ang Nabwa, kahit 2 puntos lang against Naga.
Kahit 1 point lang, pasok ang magiging pass advantage yun sa Nabwa.
Okay.
Maraming salamat Coach Paulo Benyas sa update or clarification sa ating scenarios na pwede mangyari.
Yes, at yun, maraming salamat once again, Pao Binyas and Jessa May. Ayan, na-clarify yung mga medyo malabo sa ating isipan.
That is a very good situation kanina na sinight ng ating isa sa mga ating technical heads ng Ako Bicol Cup na si Sir Paulo Binyas. Maraming salamat.
So kailangan talagang maipanalo ito ng Nabwa
Yes.
against Naga para mas makapasok sila, mas maungasan
Yes.
nila.
In order for them to
yeah.
advance sa ating Final Four.
Yeah, tama. So mas advantage sila kontra sa Sangay pagka nanalo sila against Naga. So kaya naman we expect the best of the best plays that they can offer in this ball game. But nakikita natin na sa unang arangkada ng ating laban, ang Naga ang namamayagpag, lumalamang ng 11 points kontra sa Nabwa.
Speaking of the best, nakikita ko talaga si Aymar very aggressive sa ating larong ito. Binababa ang bola and dishing out to his teammates and syempre scoring sa ating first quarter. And the score is 3-14 in favor of Naga City. And gandang laro, partner, as early as first quarter.
Tama naman itong na ginawa ni Coach Belian na mag-regroup sila as early as now para mahinto ang kalamangan na lumulobo nitong Naga kontra sa kanilang kupunan as early as now.
Back to the ball game.
So once again, nakakalamang po ng 11 point ang Naga kontra sa Nabwa. Pero we're still on the first quarter. Parang napakabilis ng mga pangyayari.
Tama.
Nasa 4-minute mark na kaagad tayo, Coach. Partner dyan.
Medyo intense ang ating laro talaga despite the score is despite the lead is 11 points ng Naga City, but yung Nabwa side is talaga committing turnovers. That's why siguro si Eric John Bernales has to step up and ayusin ang pagtitimon sa kanyang team para hindi mag-commit ng mga turnovers. Ayan na si Almario against Bernales.
Talagang iba yung depensa na ipinapakita ngayon nitong Naga.
Ayan na, with 3 seconds remaining, Bernales with a Hail Mary shot. Misses, but there is Beron to grab the offensive rebound and scoring for 2.
Ayan, cleaning the mess. Itong kanilang si Peron.
Ayan na si Almario, gives the ball to his body.
Meron tayong foul away from the ball.
Joshua Villaflor, merong konting lambing si Redondo kay Alexander Lim, bumping him inside the paint.
Making him fall to the ground.
Yes, we have an early substitution on the part of Naga City. linabas ang high-scoring guard na si Jerome Almario. Pinasok din another high-scoring guard with the likes of Bang Sablaon.
Ayan, Bang Sablaon is our Kasurog matchup player for tonight.
Villaflor misses the rainbow bomb pero nakuha ni Bang against Hermoso.
Walang mapasahan na doon itong si Bang Sablaon, kaya napunta ang bola sa mga nakaputi.
Yan si
Nabua.
Degamo. What a shot, partner, on the part of Degamo, eluding the defense of Lim. And he has a chance to complete a three-point play.
Ganyan naman ang inaasahan natin dito kay Digamo to contribute when it comes to offense dahil talagang scoring machine din itong si Digamo para sa team ng Nabua.
And that three-point play is brought to you by Hotel Venecia. And yun na nga, partner, the score is 8-14. Lamang pa rin ang Naga City. This is a highly competitive match as early as first quarter. Yan na si Aureliano, gives the ball to Lim. Aureliano, top of the key three, misses the shot, but there is Lim to grab the offensive rebound. Lim attacks, kicks it out to Bang Sablaon. With 8 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock, Madridano loses the ball. Bernales outlets to Hermoso. Against Aureliano, misses the shot.
Good defense on the part of Nabua, pero eto na naman, nasa kanila ang bola.
What a pass!
At nakapuntos from Alexander Lim to
Samuel
Madridano.
Madridano.
Yep.
What a pass, partner. Kabisadong-kabisado ni Sam Madridano ang court nito dahil he is currently a part of Ateneo Golden Knights, partner.
Kaya naman pala.
And yun na nga, partner, pinatikim ni Beron ng isang lambing si Sam Madridano.
Oo. Ganyan ang mga lambingan dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup.
Yes, yun na si Redondo.
2 minutes and 33 seconds, 16-8. Nakakalamang po ang Naga.
Yan na si Redondo, replaced by Saison. And yun na nga, partner, medyo lumiit ang lineup ng Nabua because puro guard loaded ang kanila. Ayan na si Sabayo, nakakita ng mismatch. Sabayo at the post, kicks it out to Aureliano. Aureliano, short jumper, misses the shot, but there is Madridano, but blocked by Oquindo.
Ayan, Aureliano, after that overshooting, they failed to get the rebound to keep the ball alive. Ngayon, nasa mga taga Nabua ang bola.
Ayan na si Hermoso, squeezing, using the left hand, misses the shot. Sabayo grabs the rebound, gives the ball to Bang Sablaon, outlets to Aureliano. Sablaon fakes, kicks it out to Lim. 13 seconds.
What a pass!
That misses the shot. Sablaon.
Oh,
recovers for
my
two.
goodness! What a pass from Alexander Lim.
Sayang hindi lang na-convert pero magandang pasa pa rin.
Oo.
Ayan na si Bernales, may pick galing kay Saison. Bernales against Lim. This is a good matchup. Bernales, very calm, gives the ball to Degamo with 9 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Degamo against Aureliano, crosses over. Degamo attacks. What a pass kay Saison, but a sorry miss. But there is Saison to clean up the miss.
Not the second time around, sabi niya.
Pero grabe, very evident ang defense ng Naga side because talagang tumitira ang Nabua. Patapos na ang shot clock sa magandang pinapakitang depensa. Lim kicks it out to Aureliano for 3.
Maganda rin naman ang pinapakitang depensa ng Nabua, pero talagang much better ang offense nitong Naga.
Ayan na si Bernales. Bernales for 3. Kaboom!
They needed that in this particular time of the quarter.
A much needed 3-point shot on the part of Nabua talaga to decrease the lead of Naga City to 5 points. But
Yes.
Ban Sablaon answers it back with a booming triple.
Sinagot kaagad ni Bang Sablaon.
Yes, partner, with 24 seconds remaining sa ating unang yugto, si Degamo against Sablaon. May pick galing kay Oquindo. Degamo fakes, gives the ball to Oquindo. Momentarily
Almost
loses.
over.
Bernales again for 3. Irons it, rebound.
Oops.
And the ball will go to Naga City.
And we only have a mere 5.5 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. 21-13. Nakakalamang po ang Naga.
Yes, a very electrifying first quarter. Ayan na si Aureliano. Pinagulong ang bola para hindi mabawas ang oras. Lim against Bernales. May pick na galing kay Jamil Bulawan. Ayan na si Sablaon.
They need to
Top
shoot
of the
now.
three.
What a shot!
At the end of the buzzer, the
Yeah.
score is 21-13 in favor of Naga City.
What a way to end the quarter. A big three-pointer from Bang Sablaon.
A banging three galing kay Bang Sablaon with the score of 24-13 in favor of Naga City.
So, balik sa isa ang kalamangan ng Naga sa pagtatapos po ng ating unang quarter pa lang. Nako, parang ang dami nang nangyari kaagad. Partner, ano?
Tama ka dyan,
And,
partner.
as we take a look at the highlights of the first quarter, ayan, unang tira na kung na-miss nyo ay a 3-point shot made by the baseline lurker na si Aymar Sabayo.
Yun na nga, partner, ang nag-umpisa ng tempo from Naga City is Aymar Sabayo with that booming three, and syempre yung mga high post, low post niya. And on the part
Kaya
of
niyan.
And on the part of Nabua, talaga yung guard sila with the likes of Bernales, Degamo. And tingnan natin ang ating mga leading scorer sa ating first quarter.
And talking about the leading scorer, siyempre sa Naga muna tayo, it's Sablaon with 8 points, 2 rebounds, and 2 assists. Samantalang sa Nabua naman, we have Digamo with 6 points, 2 rebounds, and 1 steal.
Grabe, partner, 8 points kaagad. Ang binus doon is Bang Sablaon coming off the bench
Coming off
talaga.
the bench, oo.
That is a good sign on the part of Naga City because yung di lang yung first five nila nag-contribute, pero andyan din ang kanilang mga bench. Pero yan na, Bang Sablaon na huli with the offensive foul. Tinulak si Oquindo.
Hindi naman siguro sinasadya, kaya lang talaga naitulak niya. That's why he was called for the foul.
Yes, partner, it's always part of the ball talaga. Pero yung mga ganyang lambingan, kiskisan is always part of the game.
Sometimes naitutulak mo because you also have to protect yourself.
Tama ka dyan. Yan si Hermoso. Hermoso gives the ball to Fulgar, who is he is a product din ng Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. So talagang home court nila to. Yan na si Degamo. Bernales behind the back dribble against Asuer. Bernales with the top of the key three. This is the shot. There is Asuer to grab the rebound. Bang Sablaon, corner three.
Another three
Boom.
from Mr. Bang Sablaon.
Yun na nga, partner. The score is 13-27.
That
This
one
is-
was brought to you by Mississippi's Bay Resort.
Yes, this is the biggest lead so far ng Naga City, but a good two-man play on the part of Nabua. What a good pass by Hermoso to the cutting Beron with the easy layup.
It's a 7-point lead.
Asuer open, gives the ball to Lim. Corner three, misses the shot. Hermoso grabs the rebound. 3 against 3. Hermoso attacks. Floats. The shot was blocked. Ayan na. 4 against 1. Lim. Oh, what a defense on the part of Bernales. Partner, 4 laban sa isa. And nakapag-commit siya ng defensive stop. What a presence on the part of
That's what
Bernales.
you call high IQ basketball
Yes,
on the
tama.
part of Bernales.
Tama ka dyan, partner. A very high IQ point guard despite the height. Medyo maliit pero yung puso napakalaki to battle against 4 blue shirts.
And his IQ is talagang malaki. Another three-pointer mula kay Bang Sablaon.
Bang tonight is on a mission.
That one was brought to you by Hotel St. Elise.
Yes, Bang is on a mission tonight. Kumbaga, he wants to end the campaign of Naga City sa ating bigatin quarterfinals with a whopping win over his opponents. Talagang abangan natin kung ano pa ang pwedeng ipakita ng isang Bang Sablaon ngayong gabing ito.
Mukhang hindi pa siya nagmimintes sa behind the arc.
Yes, mind you, partner, he is coming off the bench, partner.
Tama.
That is the luxury of having these kinds of players. Yan na si Beron, corner 3, binawi niya yan. That was a long two on the part of Beron. The score is 16-30 in favor of Naga City with 8 minutes and 19 seconds remaining sa ating
Ayan
second
naman,
quarter.
nagpakita rin ng kanyang 3-point shooting prowess itong si Aureliano. Again, kung mananalo lang dito ng kahit isang puntos, according kay Pau Biñas, Coach Pau Biñas, ang Nabua, ay matatalo nila sa standing ang Sangay.
Yes, partner. Yan na si Degamo. Faking a 3, gives the ball to Beron against San Bernardino. Degamo, floater, 2
Yes.
points. Very steady talaga ang isang Degamo when it comes sa mga tira niya.
Parang walang pressure na makikita natin sa bawat tira niya and even sa kanyang mga passes.
Yes, yun na nga partner. Ayan na si Jamil Bulawan at the post. Pinapanood ng ating kaibigan na si Miss Jody. Jamil with a one-handed shot, misses the shot, and Veron grabs the rebound. Outlets to Degamo.
Long 3 from Degamo. Nope.
Misses the shot. Lim attacking. Lim was hacked and fouled, but the ball
Oo, he was fouled
not on the act of shooting.
not in the act of shooting. So it will be a sideline throw in.
Yes, and si Aureliano gives the ball to Jamil Bulawan, gives the ball to Sam. Ayan na partner, Lim.
11 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock.
Lim attacks, kicks it out to Sam Madridano for 3. Misses the shot. But there is Hermoso. Outlets to Degamo against Fulgar. Blocked by his teammate na si Sam Madridano dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights.
So teammates sila
Yes,
because
partner.
they're both Knights.
Yes, partner. They are a product of Ateneo de Naga under the coach of Naga City na si Coach Nuki.
18 seconds to shoot.
Ayan na si Fulgar. Inbounding the ball. Gives the ball to Beron against Jamil Bulawan. Degamo with 15 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Degamo against
Walang screen na
Sablaon. Ayan na si
Ayan na.
Redondo. Giving the pick with the floater again. Irons it but grabs his own shot. And a putback for 2 for Degamo.
may nakikita na naman akong Mr. Composure sa ligang ito.
Grabe partner talaga. Napaka-relax ng isang Degamo sa larong ito. Ayan na si Lim. Gives the ball to Aureliano against Fulgar. Gives the ball to Jamil at the post. Jamil Bulawan at the post against Veron with the spin.
Nice
Up and under.
move!
What a move, partner.
What a
It's
finish!
Jamil Bulawan, and it's too small on the part of Jamil Bulawan.
Nako, kung meron kang dalawa o tatlo niyan sa team mo, ay nako, sigurado na.
Yung mga partner talaga, Jamil Bulawan is imposing his will inside against the much shorter na si Veron. Ayan na si Redondo, gives the ball to Mr. Cool na si Redondo. Fulgar drains the 3, misses the shot, but there is Jamil.
Hindi lang nasalo ng maayos nitong si Madridano yung pasa mula kay Jamil Bulawan.
Tama ka
That
dyan.
could have been another 2-pointer.
What a defense on the part of Madridano. Guarding his teammate na si Fulgar, forcing a turnover on the part of Nabwa. Nabwa.
So it's a 14-point lead, Naga against Nabwa.
Yes, despite
5 minutes and 33 seconds.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Despite the lead talaga, this game is still entertaining. Ayan ang partner, speaking of entertaining, watch out for this guy, number 19, the brother of Eric Jan Bernales, na si Alvin Bernales, because partner, he can shoot the light out. And syempre, abangan natin ng mga tirang yan na pinapanood ng aking kaibigan na si Roel Hesalba na nanonood, aka Krets ka pa. Roel Hesalba ka din naman. Magandang gabi sa'yo, partner.
Ayun pala ang totoong pangalan ni Boss Kretz.
Yes, partner.
Nabisto na.
Abangan natin itong si Alvin Bernales. Ayan na si Degamo with the steady attacking. Misses the shot. Rebound ni Lim. What a pass kay Fulgar. Ay, kay,
Almario.
That is Almario pala. Ayan na si Bernales. Heavily guarded ni Lim. Gives the ball to Degamo. To Redondo against Jamil. What a cut by Veron. But he was fouled. Blocked by Madridano.
It could have been a very nice play for Nabwa.
12 seconds.
Timing lang talaga din naman ng sapal na yun. Pero
Yes, meron din tayong version ng Sampayan Brigade with the likes of Madridano na napakahaba ng mga kamay.
oo.
And ayan na, what a pass. And there is a foul. Nakita ng ating referee si Bang Sabloon holding Velitario Jr. and committing a foul.
Yeah, that's his second personal foul.
Foul number 22. Bang Sablaon.
With 14 seconds remaining sa ating shot clock,
14 seconds to shoot.
possession is on the side of Nabwa. Bernales Corner 3. Misses the shot, but there is Aymar to grab the rebound.
Sabi niya, sandali. Masyadong magulo.
Yan na, hands it off to Bangsab Laon, who is hot sa ating second quarter, heavily guarded by Bernales. Gives the ball to Sabayo, top of the key 3. Attacks.
Loses the
Loses
ball.
the ball. Bernales with the baseball pass, but there is Jerome to intercept the pass. Almario flies.
And scores.
For 2 plus a foul. And he will troop to the line for the bonus free throw.
That's the luxury of having this type of backcourt players, the likes of Bangsab Laon and Jerome Almario. At nandiyan pa, idagdag pa natin si Villaflor
Yes.
sa koponan ng Naga.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Wala tayong tulak kabigin sa lineup ng Naga City after pumutok si Bangsab Laon. Pinasok na naman si Almario and he is keep on attacking the defense of Nabwa. What more can you ask for this kind of lineup ng Naga City?
Left and right, meron kang talagang dapat depensahan.
Yes, tama ka dyan. With the likes of Sampayan Brigade na si Sam Madridano and si Aymar Sabayo, talagang this Naga is a team to beat sa ating tournament.
That is why they are leading by 17 points dito sa ating second quarter.
Yun na nga, partner, sinasabi ko na what a shot galing kay Alvin Bernales. Yan na, the Bernales brothers are in the hard court to provide steady leadership and scoring on the part of Nabwa.
Sige.
Kaya na, sayang ng two-man game. Meron tayong
We'd like to acknowledge the presence of Mayor of Naga City, Mayor Nelson Ligacion.
yes,
Ayan,
sir.
so again, si Mayor Nelson Ligacion po ay nandito ngayon para mag-witness ang laban ng kanyang koponan na Team Naga against Nabwa.
Yes, sir. Very supportive na si Mayor Nelson Ligacion talaga, always at our venue.
Tama. He's always at the every time na maglalaro ang kanyang koponan ay nandito siya
A man,
to support.
a man is down on the floor. I hope,
Madridano, nagkabanggaan sila ni Bangsab Laon eh.
yes, I guess this is not a serious case on the part of Sam Madridano.
Pero siyempre takbo naman kaagad yan ang ating mga medics to assist and take charge of the situation. Ayan, bumangon naman na itong si Madridano. Pero I think papahingan muna siya ng coaching staff ng Team Naga and our medics will take a look at Sam Madridano.
Salamat naman at hindi medyo naging seryoso ang nangyaring sequence kanina with those two teammates talaga na nagbanggaan sila accidentally. But still,
Actually, si Bangsab Laon napapakamot din sa ulo dahil sa siguro malakas talaga yung impact.
yes, tama ka dyan. The score is 23-38 in favor of Naga City. And si Bernales with the long three.
Oh my goodness!
Sabi sa'yo, partner, this Alvin Bernales is a must-watch sa ating larong ito kasi he can shoot the lights out talaga in
And-
any given day, any given night.
And he must be guarded.
Ayan na si Sabayo at the post against Veron. Sabayo with a one-legged fadeaway, misses the shot. Alvin Bernales grabs the rebound, gives the ball to his brother. Ayan na si Alvin, one-on-one against Almario. What a pass kay Belitario. And,
Hindi lang siya marunong tumira, marunong pang pumasa.
and this Bernales brothers is working wonders for the Nabwa City. And napatawag ng timeout si Coach Nuki because ang lamang ng Naga is now just a 10-point lead, partner.
Isa pang puntos, mababalik sa one digit ang kalamangan nitong team Naga kontra sa Nabwa.
Yan, partner, ang napakalayong triple bomb na binitawan ni Eric Jan Bernales. Grabe naman yung partner.
Grabe
Hindi
talaga.
ko inakalang ganun kalayo.
Ilista mo na yan sa top 10 best plays of the game, of the week rather.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And syempre, yun na nga yung kagandahan ng meron isang shooting talaga, nagko-collapse ang depensa. Ngayon, nakita ng ating at dumaan ng ating kasamahan na si Coach Peter Barcelon, isa sa ating mga kasamahan dito
Oo.
sa panel. Maraming magandang gabi sa iyo, partner. And syempre, yun na nga ang kagandahan na may shooting talaga, nagkaklag ang depensa.
Oo,
At yun na
tama.
nga, yung nangyari, dinouble team at nakita ni Alvin Bernales na open ang kanyang teammates sa Civilitario para sa EC2.
That's the effect of having a Bernales the shooting guard Bernales sa floor ngayon. Naga has to make some adjustments dahil nga meron ng isang threat mula sa labas at ang masama doon ay nakakapasa pa ng maayos.
Yes, yun na. Speaking of adjustments, pinasok na ni Coach Duki si Villaflor and si Asuer siguro to give defense on the part. Ayan na si Aymar, tip in. Medyo nakakuha siya ng foul. And I guess we'll troop to the line for 2. Yan na, pinasok si Asuer and si Villaflor to add speed.
And to add naman beauty, let's go to Miss Jessamay Navales.
Yun naman.
Miss Jessamay.
Well, thank you, Coach John and Kapa Morgs. As per the technical committee of Ako Bicol Cup, Coach Paulo Benyas, this game is very important for both teams. Kaya naman, this game started by this tunay na mauurag na basketball enthusiast, Karin Camarines Sur, with a bang as we are witnessing our run and gun game. It was very commendable. The consecutive 3 points shooting committed by both Team Naga and Nabwa while keep putting pressure to the ball. However, lack of team communication nga ang nagiging problema ng Nabwa, which was resulted to turnovers. That's why they really need to avoid it as a team Naga maximizes well every ball position. So that's the latest for now, and I'll be back for my next report. Back to you, Coach John and Kapa Morgs.
Maraming salamat, Miss Jessamay Navales. Tama ka dyan, it's anybody's ball game.
And tama ka dyan, mga tunay na mga orago na naglalaro sa ating Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. And we have an exciting ball game ahead for you. This is just a single-digit lead on the part of Naga City. Another 50-50 balls na ipinasok ng Nabwa with 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Lamang ang Naga City.
It go up to 17-point lead kanina, pero right now it's a single digit, 9 points. And yan, missing pa rin ang Naga with Villaflor.
Ayan na si Alvin Bernales against the much younger. Ayan na, partner, using the glass but misses the shot. But there is...
Andun pa siya to get his own miss.
What a pass, partner. Bernales
What a
was...
play.
Yun na nga, partner. This Bernales brothers is working wonders for Nabwa. Talagang they're dictating the tempo right now.
Iba ang epekto ng Alvin Bernales.
Yes, partner.
Now that he's on the floor. Ayan, mayroon tayong babatiin lang dito, no? Yung 3K viewers online natin, hindi natin napapansin. 3,000 pala yung viewers natin. So maraming salamat, Christian Calleja, for reminding us about our online viewers. Nako, maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood sa atin online. Padami ng padami yung ating mga viewers.
Tama ka dyan. Maraming salamat, partner. Meron na pala tayong 3K viewers. Hindi natin napapansin. Dumagdag pa ang ating kaibigan na si Chris na nanonood. Baka 3,000 plus na. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyo. So walang sawang suporta sa aming liga. At
ito po ay hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa!
And I guess that shot was an up and under move on the part of Asuer. A much needed score on the part to stop the bleeding of Naga City.
Tama, and that's a very crafty move from Asuer.
Ayan na si Bernales. Float for 3, misses the shot. Villaflor, 3 against 1. Naga flies and scores for 2!
Ayan! 4 out of 0 ang naging run as we had our as the teams headed for their huddle because of the timeout.
Grabe, partner.
Grabe, no?
Bukod sa dami ng nanonood sa ating game venue, as you take a look, yung up and under move ni Asuer na talagang makakapasok. Ayan, partner, what a fake up and under. And the floater for 2.
One of the best plays of the week, siguro yan.
Grabe naman yun, partner. And syempre, yung mga nanonood dito, siguro libo rin to, partner.
Tama.
And syempre, ito, as of the day, tiningnan ko ang aking Facebook. Meron tayong 3.2. Kumbaga 3,200 viewers na nanonood sa atin.
So maraming salamat po sa ating mga online viewers. Again, napapanood po tayo sa Ako Bicol Online TV, sa Representative Saldico Facebook page at sa Ako Bicol Cup YouTube channel. Nandun din po tayo sa ngayon. So maraming salamat sa mga nanonood po sa atin.
Yes, partner talaga. Pero credit to Nabwa for fighting as early as first half. Talagang binibigay nila ang buong loob nila against this mighty Naga squad. Pero ayun na si Alvin Bernales coming off the bench, talaga igniting the spark for Nabwa. And na si Bernales again. Bernales with a one hand. What a pass, partner! And Alvin Bernales is on a show, partner, right now.
Ibang klase. Kung hindi siya pupuntos, talagang hahanapin niya ang mas nakaka-advantage na teammate niya for the 2-pointer or 3-pointer maybe.
Yes,
and
tama.
that particular sequence.
With 9 seconds remaining sa shot clock, Villaflor drops it up to Aymar using the right hand and scoring for 2.
Bumawi naman si Villaflor at saka si Sabayo sa
Ayan na.
end ng Naga.
With 7 seconds remaining, strip by Villaflor. 2 against 2. Asuer, lefty layup, misses the shot. There is Aymar.
At yan na po, nagtatapos ang nagiging mas exciting na matchup natin between Naga and Nabwa. Ang ating score sa pagtatapos ng ating first half, 45 Naga, 33 Nabwa. So it's a 12-point deficit. Yan ang hahabulin ngayon ng Nabwa sa pagpapasok natin sa ating second half. Diyan lamang po kayo, magbabalik kami.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Wag na wag susuko, alis lang
Habang halftime, magkakaroon po tayo ng isang mini-game. Ang sino mang sasali, magkaka-premyo ng 5,000 pesos. Handog sa inyo ng Ako Bicol Cup at Ako Bicol Party List kasama ang ating Commissioner, Mr. Lloyd Rivera. Sino man po nakakaalam to the tune na i-play ng aming technical team and yung audience ang magiging judge. Ang mananalo, merong 5,000 pesos. So kung sino man ang marunong to this tune, pwede na po pumunta sa gitna. And the audience will be our judge. 5, pwede 5. Babae man, lalaki, bata, matanda, basta ng luwin. Yan, to the tune of Kento. Sige, ito na. Kentero, gusto mo? Sino ang gusto? 5. Balita ako, malalakas ang loob ng mga taga-Naga City. Kasi well supported. Okay. Sino po sa inyo? Okay. Kailangan ko ba? Okay. Yung mga taga-Nabua dyan, pwede rin. Mas malakas ata ang loob ng mga taga-Nabua. Okay, sasayaw ko yung tune. Ano? Hindi ito 3 points yan, ha? Sasayaw kayo. Wala ba? Meron. Hindi na, kahit bata, pwede. Sa ating mga MTV dyan, baka meron. Ito, merong bata. Wala na bang ibang malakas ang doon? Wala na, panalo na siya. Wala na bang iba? Sayang naman, 5,000 pesos. Kaya mo yan. Attorney, wala mo bang bato ang Casireños? Wala? Walang bang bato? Attorney Mayen, wala daw po bang bato? So paano? Sasayawin ko na lang yung bata, siya na lang ang mananalo. Wala na. Ha? Sige, pwede rin. Kahit iba yung challenge yung gusto nila, iba yung sa bata. Yung sa bata, Kento. Kung may kaya ng Big Boy Challenge din, kung gusto. Commissioner Lloyd. Commissioner, paano to? Isa na lang ang sumali. So isa lang manalo? Sige. Isa na lang manalo. Doon ka sa gitna. Dito ka sa gitna. Samahan nyo. Manalo ka na ng 5,000. Sasayaw ka lang.
3 points. Tama kayo mga kamay? Okay, bigyan na natin 5,000 pesos. Mga Kobe Luka. Halika dito, ano ba yung premyo mo? Miss? Be, anong pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo? Alam mo, sabi mo sa Kobe Luka, meron kang 5,000 pesos. Okay, congratulations! Nag-check ko lang, may 5,000 na. Abangan niyo po kami sa June 24, Game 1 ng semis. Dito po sa Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium. Yung mga manonood, magbaon na po kayo ng lakas ng loob. Baka merong ganyan ulit na dance contest. Sayang naman, baka 10,000 na yung premyo. So yung malalakas ang loob, iniimbitahan po namin kayo sa June 24, Game 1 ng semis, 6 p.m. po ulit. Maraming salamat!
Magandang gabi once again mga kasurog, and while they're having fun dito sa likod natin because of the fun games, at bago tayo magsimula sa ating second half or third quarter, nandito po kami ni John Batchellier kasama ang ating magiting na commissioner ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Walang iba po kundi ang ating napakabait na kasama, sabihin na natin kasama dahil parang talagang feel lang natin, ka-level lang natin siya, Commissioner Lloyd Rivera.
Magandang gabi sa ikom.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Salamat dahil patuloy nyo kami sinusuportahan sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. I want to thank you, mag-thank you sa inyo kasi hindi naman to magbubuo kung wala rin kayo. At bago ko makalimutan, next week, semifinals na natin. Sa
ano ba yung mga aasahan natin sa semifinals?
Abangan niyo yung dalawang team sa bracket A and bracket B, top 2 nung ano nila. Abangan niyo lang next week yung semifinals natin.
Yes ko, baka may papasalamatan ka sa mga viewers natin, yung mga sumusuporta sa ating liga.
And
thank you na sa inyo lahat. In general na. Huwag mo na ako pera.
Maraming salamat talaga sa amin ng ating butihing commissioner na si Boss Lloyd Rivera.
So marami tayong aasahan, di ba?
Anyways, gusto ko lang rin mag-thank you sa Ako Bicol Party List and then kay Kong Saldi ko. Siyempre, kung walang Ako Bicol Party List, wala rin tong Ako Bicol Cup.
Tama. And
so maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po. And siyempre, maraming salamat sa ating butihing commissioner na si Sir Lloyd Rivera for gracing us here sa ating venue.
Alright. Maraming salamat po once again, mga kasurog, at ang ating butihing Commissioner Lloyd Rivera.
Start of the second half.
So ito na nga po, start na ng ating pinaka-aabangang second half or third quarter ng tapatan ng mga nag-aagawan ng semi-final seat na Naga and Nabwa.
Yes, what an intense first half. Partner, magandang pinakita ng Naga City sa unang yugto ng ating first quarter. At nung patapos ng ating second half, bumawi ang Nabwa with the likes of si Alvin Bernales coming off the bench, giving spark sa Nabwa para makadikit sa larong ito.
Pero bumawi na rin naman kaagad before the end itong ng ating first or second quarter itong Team Naga. Kaya nga ngayon medyo tumataas na naman yung kanilang kalamangan, which is 45-33. At dito sa pag-umpisa ng ating third quarter ay wala pa pong nakakapuntos from both teams.
Tama ka dyan sa ating, para sa ating mga late tuners. Ako nga pala si John Bachiller kasama aking partner si Kuya Alex Padronio aka Kapa Morgan para iatid sa inyo ang laban ng Naga City versus Nabwa.
At yun, foul na doon si Redondo and he will be shooting 2 free throws for Team Nabwa.
Yes, donning the blue jerseys are the Naga City Casereños. Completing their 5 is Madridano, Aureliano, Almario, Bulawan, and Sablaon. And on the other hand, para sa Nabwa naman, completing the 5 is Veron, Degamo, Bernales, Velitario, and Redondo.
Oo, nasa upuan ngayon yung nagbigay ng spark sa Team Nabwa na si Alvin Bernales na kapatid nitong si Eric John.
Yes, ayan na. This is going to be an intense third quarter for sure. Ayan na si Bang Sablaon, gives the ball to Almario. Binigay kay Bulawan at the post.
That's a too low pass mula kay Jerome Almario, kaya nahirapan masyado ang 6'5 center na si Bulawan to get the pass.
Sayang, that is a turnover on the part of Naga City. Miscommunication on the part of, ayan na si Degamo.
Ano yung mga tira?
Continuing his streak sa first half with the very relaxed 3-point shot.
And that one was brought to you by Misibis Bay.
Grabe partner, he is not yet done sa ating laro, draining threes. And with this floater, ay na Sablaon against the much smaller Bernales. What a defense on Bernales. And na si Almario, may pick galing kay Bulawan.
5 seconds to shoot.
With 3 seconds remaining, Madridano misses the corner 3. Nakuha ni Veron, gives the ball to Degamo, stops and pops for 3. No good. Rebound by Velitario against Madridano, misses the shot. Again, Degamo securing the rebound. Ayan na si Veron. Under goal stop, misses the shot.
Good hustle on the part of Degamo. Almost they are losing that ball pero nakuha nila, kaya lang na out of bounds, kaya mapupunta pa rin ang bola sa mga taga-Naga.
Tama ka dyan. Good hustle on the part, but still the possession will remain to Naga City. Ayan na si Almario against the much taller Velitario. Hands it off to Aureliano. Ayan na, meron tayong mismatch sa post. Sablaon imposing his will, but he was caught dancing in the wrong song. Good defense on the part of Eric John Bernales.
Oo, kahit minamama ni Sablaon itong si Degamo, ay talagang hindi siya nag-give up.
Bernales partner.
Bernales,
on
I'm
the
sorry.
post.
I'm sorry, it's
Yes.
Bernales.
Kumbaga, hindi naman talaga basta-basta maitulak kahit maliit si Bernales. I guess he is strong.
Oo, is
And
firmly standing his defense.
yan na. Bernales, corner 3.
Matulis
No good.
masyado.
And nagagawan sa bola si Armalio at si Redondo. And the possession will go to the white shirts, sa mga blue shirts in favor of Naga City Casereños.
Oo.
Yan na si Bulawan at the post against Veron.
So nakakaisang puntos pa lang
Bulawan with the hook shot.
What a semi-hook. Wala kay Jamil Bulawan.
Grabe, napakalaking mismatch talaga partner. Ayan na si Degamo against Almario. Degamo gives the ball to Bernales against Bang Sablaon. May pick na binigay pero sabi ni Bernales, clear out. Bernales and Jamil Bulawan.
It's an offensive call. May nagkalituhan tayo dito. Tinuturo si Jamil Bulawan. Pero ang sinisign ng referee is an offensive foul.
Yes, the call is nabago ang call. And again, the possession will go to Nabwa.
So it's a pushing foul.
Yes, pushing foul on the part of Jamil Bulawan. Ayan na si Velitario, guarded by Aureliano. Talagang tingnan mo yung depensa ng Naga City right now. They are in the man-to-man. Velitario gives the ball to Beron at the low block. Hands it off to nobody but gives the ball to Velitario. Fakes for 3. Degamo.
7 seconds to shoot.
7 seconds with a crossover. And a pump using the glass but misses the shot. Bang is ahead. Grabbing those defensive rebounds against Redondo. Bang humihingi ng pick. Binigay kay Almario. Almario.
10 seconds.
Lams it off to Sablaon against Redondo.
7 seconds to
7
shoot.
seconds to shoot. Bang. Fires for 3. Misses the shot. But nahuli si Samad Redano. Pushing the much smaller Eric Jan Bernales. And
The ball will go to Nabua.
yes, partner, that is an unnecessary foul siguro on the part of Andredano because height disparity napakalaki, so you don't need to push that little guy. You have to just be in the position in order to get those rebounds.
Oo. Almost 4 minutes gone by sa ating third quarter and merong chance po ang Nabua na matapisan ang Kalamangan. 47-37.
Ayan na si Bernales with a 3-point bomb. Bang!
Talagang ganon, matulis ang tira niya sa 3 points. That one was brought to you by Hotel St. Elise.
There is the fire.
Ang 3 points na matulis.
There is a fire in the eyes of Eric Jan Bernales, but there is Jerome Almario answering it back. But again, mabalik tayo. You can see the composure and the seriousness of Eric Jan Bernales. He is trying. Ayan na si Bernales. Beron. Hands it off.
Naghahanap ng mapapasahan.
Good denying defense on the part. Ayan na si Bernales with a fake. Gives the ball to Beron, but there is Jamil Bulawan to intercept the pass.
And they only have 2 seconds to shoot in this inbound play.
Yes, yan ang partner. Tumawag ng timeout because this is a much needed score on the part of Nabua. So kailangan nila
Wise decision on the
yes,
part of Team Nabua.
gumawa ng set plays because ito naman talaga partner yung pinapractice ng mga teams. This kinds of situation, yung mga situational na kailangan nilang ma-score during their game.
So it's going to be a knockout play.
We'll see kung
Na
ano ang
ini-expect natin in this particular play na gagawin ng Nabua para makascore at a mere 2 seconds given time para sa kanilang shot.
We'll see partner kung ano ang design na play ni Coach.
Back to the ball game.
And now we are heading sa ating ball game. The score is 40-49 in favor pa rin ng Naga City Casireños, but still kudos to this Nabua squad for fighting up to this quarter.
Yes, fighting really hard. Again, if Nabua will win this game, sila ang papasok sa semifinals.
What an inbound play partner, sayang but
oo. That's a very good play. Sayang lang, kapos yung tira itong si number 28,
si Velitario.
Velitario.
Si partner, napakaganda yun ang partner. Those kinds of plays talaga will make wonders for them, but definitely hindi lang naipasok yung tira. Pero ang gandang play, ang design ng coach ng Tinabua.
Pero yan, hindi pa rin nasayang yung timeout na tinawag ng coaching staff ng Nabua kasi naka-execute sila ng magandang play. Hindi nga lang na i-convert into points.
Tama ka dyan, ayan na si Almario against Velitario. Almario give the ball to Jamil at the post.
They need to stop this, yan.
Naagawan, ayan si Beron.
Merong foul. Merong foul. That will not count.
Foul with number 20.
Dito pa lang sa babae, tinawagan na ng foul.
Third personal foul for team foul.
Tama, yun ang third personal foul ni Bang Sablaon. I think, ayan, ipapasok ang fresh legs. Villaflor and Aymar Sabayo coming in for the ball game. Villaflor replacing Jerome Almario.
Yan, good minutes on the part of Jamil Bulawan scoring. Ayan na si Digamo again with a 3-point bomb. Bang, bang, bang!
That one was brought to you by Hotel Venecia. They needed those kind of shots from Digamo.
Yes.
Talagang pagka ganun open siya, dapat itira niya talaga without hesitation.
Yes, partner, this is the lowest lead so far talaga. Ito na lang yung pinakamaliit na kalamangan. Si Sabayo against Meron Sabayo. And he was
Ayun,
stripped by
naagawan
Fulgar. Ayan na si Eric Jan Bernales. Nabua is running. Bernales squeezing na Bernales. What a pass kay Belitario. Gives the ball to Degamo. Passes to Fulgar.
They need to shoot now.
With 7 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Meron with the spin using the glass, but there is Fulgar with the tip in and the deuce.
That's Fulgar for the tip in.
Yes, partner. This is just a 4-point lead. Kapit lang, partner.
Oo, sa pagtatapos ng ating third quarter, talagang namamayagpag ang Nabua.
Ayan na, Bang Sablaon. This is
Missing.
the shot, but there is Fulgar with the possible rebound. Yan na, partner. This is...
Now the pressure is on Naga City.
Yes, the
Or
pressure...
Naga team.
Yes, the pressure is on the side of Naga right now because Nabua is now streaking. And those kind of shot, ayan na si Aymar at the post against Redondo. Binigay kay Sablaon
They need to make
against
a shot.
Hermoso. Sablaon flies, but he is hacked and fouled and will troop to the line for a free throw shot. In a partner, Coach Nuki calling his troops because I guess he will give instructions
Tama.
sa streaking na Nabua talagang to stop the bleeding of Naga City.
Tama. It's just a 4-point lead now, pero may chance na madagdagan pa. And yan na nga, nadagdagan ng isa ni Bang Sablaon at the free throw line.
Yes, partner, that stops the bleeding of Naga City with that free throw shot ni Bang Sablaon, who is, by the way, wala pang mintis at sana hindi ko nabate. Tama, wala pang mintis sa ating laro. The score is 45-51. This is just a 6-point lead, partner. Very unusual on the part of Naga City.
Pero hindi natin alam ang gagawin ngayon ng Nabua.
Ayan na si Degamo, fakes. Degamo against much taller Alexander Lim. May pick na binigay si Fulgar. Degamo.
Tama yung pick na yon.
Degamo gives the ball to Hermoso. Corner to Redondo for 3.
Yes!
Bang, bang! And that shot is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi. And now Nabua is on the verge of tying this ball game.
Yeah.
And now Lim hands it up to Villaflor against Degamo.
If they can make a defensive stop in this particular play by Naga, they will have a chance to tie this ball game.
Ayan na, sa
Ayan na nga.
Madridano. Hermoso steals the ball. Nakuha ni Redondo. Redondo is rushing against Bang Sablao. Redondo flies. And he was fouled. And he will troop to the line for 2 free throws. This game is going to be an exciting ball game, partner.
Ayan, merong chance na namatapisan into just 1-point lead itong kalamangan ng Naga na umabot kanina ng 17 points. But right now, iba ang ipinapakitang performance ng lahat ng players na nandito ngayon sa floor for Team Nabua.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kitang-kita ko yung body language ng mga nandito sa ating venue na they are very excited kasi talagang yung laro natin ay talagang naging dikdikan.
Yan ang sinasabi natin na it's anybody's ball game. And right now we're witnessing a toe-to-toe match between these two teams in search for a seat sa ating semifinals.
Yan, partner, talagang tuwang-tuwa ang ating mga fans, especially sa ating mga kaibigan dito na si Kretz na is very enjoying the ball game kasama si Franco na nanonood sa ating sidelines. Talagang magandang gabi sa inyo mga sir. Ang napaka-poging part ng ating committee. Yan na si Redondo. Since the second free throw and the lead is now just to 2-point lead, partner. Kapit, partner.
Kapit kayo dyan. Ako po'y kapit na dito. And right now it's Naga Small with Alexander Lim.
Yes, partner, this is just the third quarter. Pero abangan natin, sigurado for sure. Ayan na si Villaflor against Degamo. Gives the ball to Alexander Lim. Calling for a pick. Lim. He was stripped.
Slipping.
He slipped, but the ball will remain to Naga City.
And they only have 3 seconds to shoot.
Yes, partner, ayan na. Pinalitan si Degamo. Eric Bernales with 3 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Ayan na si Lim inbounding. Gives the ball to Bang Sablaon against Hermoso. Bang! Misses the shot. Redondo grabs the rebound. Redondo is attacking. Gives the ball to his opponent. Ayan na si Bang. Bang is rushing. Drops it up to Lim. Gives the ball to Villaflor for 3.
Yes! Villaflor saving the day for Team Naga with that three-pointer.
Yes, partner. Villaflor saving the day. A much-needed score on the part of Naga talaga because this the momentum is now shifting to Nabwa and Redondo aiming to fire but misses the shot. There is Hermoso saving the ball. Eric Jan Bernales. No look pass but intercepted. But there is Villaflor. Villaflor gives the ball to Sam Adredano. Gives the ball to Villaflor again for 3. In and out. Rebound by Hermoso. The crowd is starting to erupt, partner. Kung nakapasok ang tira, Bernales. Top of the key 3. Kaboom!
Yes! Eric Jan Bernales
It's raining threes, partner, here in
counters that
Ateneo.
three-point shot made by Naga
It's
earlier.
raining threes here at Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium, partner. Ayun na si Villaflor against Belitario. What a crossover. And the lefty but misses the shot. Belitario grabs the rebound. Bernales is ahead. 4 against 2, kicks it out to Hermoso.
Or lead.
Bernales attacks, gives the ball to Fulgar, attacking with the left hand, misses the shot.
Malakas yung tira ni Pulgar.
Ayan na si Lim against Bernales, but he was fouled. What a courageous foul, partner. Very partner.
Tama yung foul na yon ni Eric Jan Bernales rather.
And partner, lalo pa dumadagdag ang ating views sa ating Facebook Live. Meron na tayong 3,500 viewers, partner.
With this kind of game, I have no question.
Keep incoming, partner. Talagang tataas at tataas pa. With those 3-point bombs na pinapakita ng both teams. Ayan na, partner, pinasok. Speaking of 3-point bomb, pinasok na si
Balik
Alvin
na naman
Bernales.
si Alvin Bernales.
Ayan na si Almario. Scores for 2.
May pa and one pa.
Yun na nga, partner.
That's how intense this ball game.
Yes,
Sa pagtatapos ng ating third quarter, we only have 34 seconds remaining. At ayan, mag-free throw pa to complete the 3-point play opportunity. It's Jerome Almario for Team Naga.
Grabe, partner, yung spin in the end one na si Almario. Yan na nga. With here is now sa kanyang home court. Yan na, si Hermoso gives the ball. Hermoso again crossing the half-court line. Gives the ball to Fulgar. Fulgar fakes. Outlets to Redondo. Redondo for 3. Kaboom!
Yes! Cutting the lead to only just 3 na naman for Nabwa.
Yes, I guess this is the last possession on the part of Naga City. Lim attacking. Lim gives the ball to Aymar. Low back shot.
Oh, what a veteran shot from Aymar Sabayo.
With 3 seconds. Bernales is ahead against Almario. Bernales with a Hail Mary shot.
Whoa!
And that ends our third quarter with the score of 55 to 59 in favor of Naga City. What a third quarter, partner.
Masyado akong na-excite, partner. At meron pa tayong isang quarter.
Yes, partner.
Mga kasurog, dyan lamang kayo, ha?
Tama
Huwag kayong aalis.
Tama ka dyan, partner. This is just the end of the third quarter. Meron pa tayong isang quarter. I guess this game is going down the wire, partner.
Yes, this is going to be a crazy game. Sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, it's going to be an epic game. Yun ang nararamdaman natin sa pregame natin kanina. And right now, we're experiencing it. Naga versus Nabwa.
Yes, tama ka dyan sa ating pregame huddle. Kanina talagang sabi nga ng coach ng Nabwa, they're here to fight up to the last buzzer talaga. So expect this kind of basketball. Sabi nga, partner, this is going to be a dogfight come sa ating fourth quarter.
Alam mo, ang isa sa mga kinakabahan ngayon ay ang Team Sangay.
Yes,
because if Nabwa will win this ball game, sila yung makakaroon ng seat sa ating semifinals.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Para sa ating mga leading scorers, partner, sa ating laro.
Oo, nangunguna si Digamo sa part ng Nagboa with 16 points, 3 rebounds and 1 steal. Si Bernales naman, itong si John Eric, merong 10 points, 2 rebounds and 2 assists at 1 steal. At si Beron, 10 points din, 6 rebounds and 1 steal. Samantalang si Sablaon on the part of Naga, merong 16 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists and 1 steal.
Ayan na, what a good foul on the part of Nabwa. Sayang, sabi kanina ni Eric Jan Bernales, you have to take those kinds of shot talaga. Sayang na, panira na, pinapasa na. But then again, the score is 55-59 in favor of Naga City. This is not a good sign on the part of Naga kasi this is a low-scoring board game partner. Usually, ang Naga City talaga umi-score ng marami yan. Pero sabi ni Jerome Almario,
Dagdagan natin kung nakukulangan ka.
I will take you to school. Ayan na partner si Bernales against Lim. Bernales, double team. Bernales was stripped by Lim. There is Lim and flying and scoring for two.
And ayan, Naga is securing a slot. Although talagang manalo man o matalo sila, pasok na sila sa semifinals.
Yan ang partner, nag-chat ang aking anak na si Juan Carlos Bachiller at si Franco Miguel na nanonood sila na very exciting na laro. Magandang gabi sa inyo mga love. I love you. I miss you. And manood lang kayo ng laro. Ayan na si Fulgar. Drops it up to Veron for two.
Nice pass! Fulgar to their number 15 guy. And what a play there.
Ayan na
for
si Veron
Veron.
sa ilalim. Ayan na. Lim against Redondo. May pick na binibigay si Jamil Bulawan. Lim hands it up to Asuer. Gives the ball to Almario. Almario with the spin. Using the glass but in and out. A sorry miss on the part of Jerome Almario.
Ibang klaseng move yun. That's a sensational spin from Jerome Almario.
Ayan na si Bernales. Drops it to Veron and he was fouled again.
And Jerome Almario committed the foul.
A double block ay on the part of Jerome Almario. Naka-foul na siya at tinamaan pa siya ng lambing galing kay Veron. And the score is 57-63. This is just a 6-point lead on the part of Naga City. Ayan na si Veron. Misses the first free throw. Much to the delight much to the delight of this Naga squad. Sa likod, kumbaga, merong 6-man ang Naga City because
Of the crowd.
yes, because of the crowd, because of the home court advantage na meron sila ngayon. Ayan na si Veron
Making the second one count.
and silencing the crowd. Talking to the crowd. Sabi, silencio mga amigo. And the score again is, this is just a 5-point lead on the part of Naga City.
Anything can happen. It's anybody's ball game.
Yes, Almario with the top of the key.
What a shot from behind the arc from Jerome Almario.
Yes, ayan na partner.
At ayan na, matapos ang pag-init kanina ni Bang Sablaon, si Almario naman.
Ayan na si Fulgar. Floater and scoring. Grabe, yung contribution ng isang Fulgar coming this fourth quarter, talagang yung mga emergency passes na kukuha niya, na-convert niya. Ayan na, grabe yung bantay coach ni Lim. Ang laki. Si Redondo kicks it out to Villaflor with a fake kicks it out to Jamil. Cross score to Lim against Veron with 7 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Almario up and under behind the back pass and naputukan ng 24 seconds.
Hindi umabot yun, sayang.
What a good defense, partner.
Napaganda ng depensa ng Nabwa.
Yes, partner. Nakikita ko yung coaches ng Naga City is standing talaga because this game is far from over. Alam nila na talagang medyo crucial ang mga larong ito. Kaya dapat this possession counts talaga. Bawal ang mga turnovers and mga
Tama.
miscommunications this fourth quarter.
They need to execute perfectly
Tama ka dyan.
if they want to have a seat sa ating semifinals. And I'm talking about Team Nabwa na nakapasok na naman. Itong si Digamo na pumutok kanina.
Ayan na si Veron, medium range jumper. Misses
Missing.
the shot, but there is Aymar Sabayo grabbing those defensive rebounds. Ayan na si Asuer coming off the bench. Hands it up to Villaflor. Top of the key three. Inches closer. Kaboom!
And that's another good one. Badly needed shot
Yes,
from Villaflor.
The lead is now up to 9 points. Ballooning again. Ayan si Digamo with the emergency pass. And Veron and using the left hand for two.
Nice play. Digamo to Veron. That's a good connection.
Yes, partner. Ayan na si Lim. Sabayo as at the post. Humingi. Villaflor. Long three. Kaboom!
Wow! 2 consecutive 3-pointers mula kay Villaflor. para sa Team Naga. At that made Nabua call for a timeout.
And that shot is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi. That back-to-back three-point booming bombs by Villaflor, adding the lead of Naga City to double digits.
And kung magkakaroon tayo ng savior for Naga City, it could be Villaflor. Was really showing his craft, his shooting prowess sa game na ito.
Yes, partner, this is going to be a chess match on the part of the coaching staff kasi alam naman natin, kita mo yung mga adjustments na ginagawa ni Coach Nuki right now, inserting Villaflor and Asuer as his backcourt. And on the part of Nabua is Degamo and Bernales anchoring the five for Nabua.
And I think they can gamble of putting Alvin Bernales muli.
Yes, kumbaga yan ang magandang problema ni coach ng Nabua talaga. Yan na si Hermoso receiving the ball.
Iba kasi yung nagiging timpla ng laro nila pagka nasa loob si Alvin Bernales.
Yan na si Hermoso against Slim. Hermoso against Slim again. Hermoso with a crossover and the spin. Minama with Deres Biron using the glass for two.
Nice play. Nice save for Beron on that particular play.
And then the lead is now again single digits with 64-72 with 5 minutes and 56 seconds remaining. And si Bang Sablaon against Hermoso. Bang with the spin, up and under, fall away, misses the shot. Bang secures the rebound, fakes, gives the ball to Asuer. Villaflor again, step back three.
What a shot! What a shot by Villaflor! Hindi nagmimintis ang mamang ito.
Grabe, partner.
That's a very hard shot.
Kinilabutan ako doon, partner.
Grabe.
That is a step back for you. Grabe tong Villaflor. Ayan ang partner, step back.
One of the hardest shots na nakita ko dito sa ating liga.
Partner, a good defense on the part of Belitario but better offense on the part of Villaflor, partner. Grabe, partner.
Correct ka dyan, partner.
Grabe, partner, ang kinapakita ng isang Villaflor.
Grabe yung explosion nitong Villaflor on the part of Team Naga.
But misses the possible 4-point play. But still, grabe yung puso na pinapakita ng isang Joshua Villaflor sa larong ito. Ayan na si Degamo. Answering back the three.
Yes!
If you don't like that, you don't like Ako Bicol Cup basketball.
Yes, indeed.
Grabe, partner.
If you don't like to scream, well, just shut up.
10 seconds.
Villaflor, this time, he was hammered behind.
Sable.
Grabe yung mga sequence na na-experience natin dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga sa laban itong Nagwa at saka ng Naga. 7-point lead enjoyed by the home team Naga.
Yes, partner, and counting 3.6. Kumbaga, 3,600 viewers na meron tayo sa larong ito. Ayan na, meron tayong double foul. Nakita ko si Hermoso at si Bang Sablaon naglalambingan, partner.
Oo, naglalambingan sa ilalim.
And
Sablaon making himself or trying to have a good position malapit sa baseline. And well, mapupunta ang bola ngayon sa mga taga-Naga, but they only have 2 seconds to shoot. Wala ring timeout na mangyayari. So I think these guys knows what to do.
2 seconds on the shot clock and exactly 5 minutes na meron tayo sa huling yugto ng ating very exciting and umuulang 3 points na laro.
Iba, hindi pa rin ako matutunawan doon sa step back 3 nitong si Joshua Villaflor.
2 seconds to shoot.
Ayan na, this is a very crucial possession on the part of Naga City. Ayan na si Almario with the fall away. Misses the shot, but there is Ivar.
Merong foul.
Ayan, tingnan natin. Parang merong request ang ating.
Oo, parang i-contest nila yon.
Oo. Meron tayong review siguro magaganap.
Parang humihingi sila ng coaches challenge.
Foul number 50, Christian Beron. Second personal foul for team foul. Warning for penalty.
Ayan na si Sabayo, very important free throws but this is the first one. Yun na nga, I guess, yung fatigue factor because talaga, despite Sabayo as a big man, talagang si Beron din, talagang hindi nagpapatalo sa ilalim.
Siyempre.
Misses both free throws and Militario grabs the rebound. Binigay kay Eric John Bernales who waits for his teammates. This is just an 8-point lead with 4 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. Bernales, top of the key three, misses the shot. Bernales grabs his own miss. Bernales, nabitawan. Beron, medium range. Pintes de Hermoso grabbing those offensive rebounds. And he was fouled.
Meron tayong whistle.
Meron tayong whistle. And Naga City Casireños is not yet in the penalty.
So it's just going to be a normal baseline throw-in for Nabua. And they have 14 seconds to shoot.
Ayan na si Degamo against Villaflor. Degamo attacks with a layup. And scores for two. Grabe partner, very calm.
Grabe!
Si Degamo.
What an intense shot mula
Ayan na si
kay
Lim.
Digamo.
Selim with the spin. Using the glass, misses the shot. Rebound ni Beron.
In and out yung tirang yun ni Alexander Lim.
Ayan na si Bernales against Almario. May pick galing kay Beron. Bernales.
It is just a 6-point lead!
What a shot,
At
partner.
ayun, nabawasan pa.
These guards of Nabua City is working wonders for them. Grabe partner. Ganun sila kakompose and kakalmado during this stretch of the ball game.
Almario.
Against Militario, top of the key three, misses the shot.
Digamo
Ayan na,
for the
Degamo
rebound.
is attacking. Degamo with the crossover behind the back, but there is Bang Sablaon to save the ball. Villaflor out at Susabayo. Pull-up jumper!
Oh! Talagang compose na compose. Veteran na veteran. Itong si Aymar Sabayo. Hindi nataranta nung ma-receive niya yung bola. He just really knows what to do. Sabi niya, ibabanda ko to. At yun na.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Very composed. Sabi, speaking of composure, sabi, eto, hindi tayo mararatel because Aymar is known to be a veteran pagdating sa mga larong kagayang ganito.
Kung hindi ka masyadong experienced player on that play, pakahawak mo ng bola, medyo matataranta ka ng konti. Hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. But this is just a 6-point lead on the part of Naga City. Sabi ko nga paulit-ulit, this is very unusual on the side of Naga City na they are just up by 6 points with 3 minutes remaining sa ating fourth quarter.
They are averaging 90 points sa pagtatapos ng bawat game dito sa ating bigaten quarterfinals.
Yes,
Kung mapapansin mo, nagna-90 plus sila.
Back to the ball game.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Yun na nga, dumadami pa ang ating viewers for...
So once again, magandang gabi po mga kasurog na nanonood sa atin online sa Ako Bicol Online TV, sa Representative Saldico Facebook page at sa Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page, sa ating YouTube channel, Ako Bicol Cup.
Yes, tama ka dyan.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat sa... At speaking, nanonood ang aking kaibigan kumpare na si Merto Roas Jr.
Ay, oo, si
Magandang gabi sa iyo.
Boss Berts.
And syempre,
Berts.
ang aking mga kaibigan, mga kumpare, sa Albay Basketball Community, na si Degamo misses the shot but grabs his own rebound, but a sorry miss
Sayang.
on the part of Degamo.
Oops! Sinong na-foul doon?
Natulak si
Itulak ni
Sablaon.
Beron, ni Sablaon. Sayang yung mga tirang yun, hindi Gamo.
Partner.
Talagang naando doon na eh.
Kay Gimme, kaya medyo ngayon frustrated si Degamo with those 2 consecutive misses. Pero ayan na, may substitution tayo. Ading Belitario linabas, pinasok si Redondos, I guess to add a firepower sa kanyang opensa. And meron tayong update sa ating courtside reporter na si Miss Jessa. Miss Jessa,
Pasok.
magandang gabi sa'yo.
Sige.
Magandang gabi rin, Coach John and Kapa Morgs. This is ended an intense battle by Nabua and Naga, equally determined and goal-driven through their jaw-dropping basketball actions. As the saying goes, good offense is the best defense, which was what exactly given to us by Naga and Nabua. At nagpapaulan nga dito ng 3 points shooting at this moment. Ateneo Gymnasium filled of goosebumps of each and every basketball fans here right now. Kaya naman mga kasurog, cheer your hearts out as the Naga and Nabwa remains on fire. So that's the latest for now. Back to you, Coach John and Kapa Morgs.
Yes, maraming salamat, Miss Jessamay Navales. 79-71 and the clock is winding down for Team Nabwa.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Grabe talaga yung mga binitawan na 3-point bombs. Ditong si Joshua Villaflor. Speaking of 3-point bombs, pati yung aking kumpare kaibigan na si Homer Conda na very pagdating sa mga 3-point bombs sa kabisado niya yan. Ayan si Almario. Floater, blocked by Beron. With 4 seconds remaining, Sabayo kicks it out to Villaflor for 3. No good. Rebound by Redondo. Gives the ball to Eric Jan Bernales. What a pass, partner!
Oh! Almost a very good play!
But a sorry miss on the part of Beron. Ayan si Sablaon.
Ayan na naman,
Strip,
na-steal
ayan na.
Bernales.
Beron
One more
again.
chance! And that's good! What a finish for Beron from John Eric Bernales.
Finally, what a sequence, partner. Grabe talaga. Defensive stop after defensive stop. And what a good pass. Siyempre, ng court general ng Nabwa na si Eric Jan Bernales. Hindi pa rin talaga tumutupi at nagpapatalo ang Nabwa.
79-73. Meron pa tayong 2 minuto, 23 segundo na gagamitin para siyempre madetermine natin kung sino nga ba talaga ang magwawagi sa 2 koponan na to na nagpapakita ng kanilang abilidad at galing sa paglalaro ng basketball dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Leg. Is it going to be Naga or merong chance ang Nabwa na makasungkit ng upuan sa semi-final seed?
Tama ka dyan, partner. This is the second to the last day of our Bigaten quarterfinals. Bukas, meron pa tayong mga exciting ball games for you. And syempre,
Sa bracket B naman tayo
Sa
bukas.
bracket B, syempre hatid sa atin yan ng Ako Bicol Party List at ni Congressman Saldico. Katabag na, kasurog pa.
Yun!
Hindi ko pa rin magaya ang boses sa aking partner. Kaya na si Jerome Almario crossing the half-court line against Eric Jan Bernales, wasting the clock. Almario with a crossover, with a spin, and fishing for a foul. And yun na nga, partner, that is a very good move on the part of Jerome Almario.
He was successful. Kung ang yung intention niya is to just fish a foul.
Yes, partner, kasi alam niya, once he is in the line, talaga, this is his home court. Kaya medyo advantage talaga. Ayan na si Almario. Makes the first free throw and the score is 73-80. This is just a 7-point lead and we're nearing sa ating twilight zone or ating 2-minute mark. Kaya abangan natin kung ano pa ang magiging kaganapan sa ating larong ito.
If Naga will win in this ball game, ang isang player na nagbigay talaga ng major impact is going to be Joshua Villaflor.
Yes, tama ka dyan. What a block on the part of San Madridano. Yun ang partner. 12 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. The score is again 73-81. Bernales inbounding.
Looking for a teammate.
Last 2 minutes.
Si Redondo.
Ayan na si Redondo attacking with a reverse layup. Good. 4-2.
And yan, Redondo using the back door with that reverse. Ibang klase.
Yan na Lim against Degamo. May pick galing kay Sam Madridano. Lim attacks against Oquindo. Hands it off to Almario with 9 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Almario attacks. Floater using the glass.
What a shot there from Jerome Almario.
Clutch on the part, eyes on the veins of Jerome Almario. Ayan na, Eric Jan Bernales.
Pero he was called for the foul.
Foul number 19. Jerome
1 minute and a half remaining sa ating ball game. 83-75, lamang po ang Naga.
This is anybody's ball game. Ayan na, Beron with a medium range jumper. This is the shot, but there is Lim grabbing those defensive rebounds against the much taller Redondo. Ayan na si Lim.
It's an 8-point lead, mga kasurog. Under 2 minutes tayo.
10 seconds.
Ayan na si Sablao, draining threes. Misses the shot, but
Well, it's going to be Nabua's basketball.
Over the back yung bola.
Oo, tumama doon sa extension ng ating board.
Akala ko dun sa sticker na nakidikit na ako Bicol Cup, katabang na, kasurog pa. And the score is 75-83. This is just a 8-point lead to the party na si Degamo. What a pass, what a fake. Degamo, top of the key against Lim with 15 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Degamo fires. Blocked
That
by
was
Lim.
partially blocked by Lim.
What a defensive stop on the part of Naga City. Ayan na si Jerome Almario, hands it off to Lim. This is going to be a nail in the coffin if Naga City scores, partner.
Yes, indeed.
Ayan na si Lim, gives the ball to Sambayo. This is the shot. But Nabua still alive. Bernales is attacking. Bernales, top of the key three. This is the shot. And
I guess this is it
this is it
for Naga.
Naga City.
They will finish this Bigaten quarterfinals with a 0 loss. And on the part naman ng Nabua, well, sorry, they cannot make it to the semifinals. It's going to be Sangay na papasok kasama ng Naga sa kanilang bracket A.
Yes, partner, Naga City is in our Final Four and much alive sa ating championship contention, partner.
Ayan, so what a ball game we had. Talagang very exciting. Kinapos lang talaga ang Nabua. Kinapos lang ng konting-konti.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, this Naga City squad is very determined na sila ang unang nakapasok sa ating Final Four sa ating Camarines Sur leg ng Ako Bicol Cup.
Even with the standing na sila ay merong advantage kontra dito sa kanilang nakatunggali na team Nabua, still, hindi pa rin sila talaga magpapatupi. Ayaw nilang mamansahan yung kanilang record na 0 loss. At yun na nga ang naging triumph ng Naga over Nabua dito sa ating second game ng ating doubleheader for our day 43 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur leg. Ito po ang Bigaten quarterfinals happening still and bukas it's going to be our last games for the quarterfinals.
Yes, partner, indeed. Tomorrow is our last game sa ating Bigaten quarterfinals, partner. And for sure, bukas talagang ganito ka-intense din yung bakbakan na mangyayari sa laro bukas. And syempre, yun na nga, partner, you're still watching the game highlights kanina ng Naga City and Nabua. And partner, special mention on the part of Nabua for fighting up to the last buzzer, partner.
Tama. Sabi ko nga kanina, they just fell little short.
Tama, partner.
Pero as expected, talagang lumaban ng todo itong team Nabua against the masasabi nating much powerful team. Sinabi nga natin kanina na yung scoring prowess nitong Naga ay dapat pa-minimize at yun ang sana muntik nang magawa ng mga taga-Nabua, kaya lang pinulang sila.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, a collective effort on the part of Naga City when it comes to scoring, especially dun sa defensive side na ginawa ng kanilang very talented and brilliant coach, si Coach Luki. Talaga yung mga adjustments nila during the game nung pumutok si Bernales, pinasok agad nila yung mga defensive guards nila like Aswer and Lim. Kaya talaga nag-utilize o naging maganda yung pasok ng kanilang fourth quarter.
And it's the unsung hero in this ball game is going to be Joshua Villaflor,
yes,
who made those crucial 3-pointers para maisalba ang Naga sa siguro pagkakatalo dito sa larong ito kontra Nabua.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. And syempre, special mention din on the part of Nabua talaga for fighting. Yung big man nila, despite kulang na kulang ang big man nila, si Veron talaga still fighting talaga tooth and nail against those big giants ng Naga City.
Nakita natin na talagang yung challenge ay talagang inaccept niya to battle against those bigger guys of Naga with the likes of Jamil Bulawan and Aymar Sabayo.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Yun na nga, partner, while waiting for our Kasurug, best player of the ball game, partner. It's an honor again na makasama kayo sa panel and syempre maraming salamat sa ating
Same here.
sa ating IMBC, sa ating director.
Infinity Media Broadcasting Company.
Yes, maraming salamat sa pagtyaga sa akin, sa aking
Ano bang pagtsatsagaan sa'yo?
sa walang sawang pagsabi na huwag malikot sa harap ng camera. And syempre ang ating ever reliable and ever matulunging commissioner na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera. Very on hand sa ating venue. And syempre,
we also need to give credit to our technical personnel, lalong-lalo na kay Coach Pao Viñas.
Tama ka dyan, ang hardworking men ng ating leg ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. And syempre, batiin ko na rin talaga, partner, yung mga nanood sa ating Facebook Live, partner. Napakarami, partner.
Tama.
Nakakataba ng puso. Kumbaga, maraming salamat. Ito ang aming supli sa panonood nyo, ang isang magandang laro. And patuloy pa naming pagbubutihin at pagagandahin ang aming mga susunod na laro.
Yan yung ating coverage. We're trying our best na every day, every game day, mag-improve yung ating coverage dito po sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Yes, partner, baka may babatiin ka, partner. Batiin mo na. This is our chance.
Oo, siyempre, batiin natin yung mga sumusubaybay sa atin, yung mga naniniwala sa atin. Hello po sa inyo. Maraming salamat mga kapartner.
Yan ang
Ayun.
partner. Ako rin, batiin ko na rin ang aking mga anak. Manutulog na kayo. And syempre ang aking tatay na advance Happy Father's Day sa iyo bukas. And syempre sa lahat ng mga daddies na nandito sa ating venue, Happy Father's Day sa inyo bukas. And yun na nga, salamat na rin sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aming liga. And ito na, partner, ibigay na natin ang ating reporter, third member of the panel na si Jessa para kapanayamin
ang ating kasurog player of the game.
Jessa, take it away.
Ayan, happy Father's Day, Coach John and Kapap Morgs, and to all of the fathers na nakatutok sa Ako Bicol Cup. So now with me is the kasurog player of the game from Team Naga, jersey number 19, Jerome Almario with 19 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, and 4 steals. Congratulations for being our kasurog player of the game once again. So this game is indeed an intense game. So how was your feeling for finally securing your spot sa semis?
Masaya kami kasi nanalo kami ngayon and na-apply namin yung mga sinasabi ng mga coaches namin.
Ayan, good to know and good luck sa semifinals. At may gustong idagdag ang ating mga poging commentator.
Oy, Pogi. Congratulations, Jerome. Another kasurog best player of the ball game, partner. Napansin ko, Jerome, as early as first quarter talagang tinatao ka, heavily guarded ka, pero nag-adjust ka during the latter part of the ball game. Ano naging adjustments mo dahil talagang paiba-iba yung defense ang binibigay sa'yo ng Nabwa?
Nag-adjust lang ako sa depensa namin kasi lahat naman kami nakaka-shoot and yun lang, naka-adjust lang ako sa depensa namin, nag-focus lang ako sa defense.
Yes, maraming salamat. May tanong ulit sa'yo, si Kapa.
Okay, may tanong din naman ako. Alam mo, Jerome, kahit matalo man kayo ng Nabwa, pasok pa rin kayo sa semifinals. Pero ngayon nanalo kayo. Alam kong masaya kayo, masaya ka. Pero what if natalo kayo ng Nabwa? Ano ba ang magiging feeling mo?
Kung matalo man kami, hindi namin nata yung makukuha yung twice to beat na hinaagad namin para sa semis. Yun lang po.
So sige, once again, congratulations for winning. At dahil dyan, twice to beat kayo. Walang duda doon.
Thank you po.
Ayan, congratulations once again to our kasurog player of the game. At may gusto ka bang i-shoutout or pasalamatan before we end this live stream?
Pinapasalamatan ko po yung mayor namin na todo suporta sa amin and si First Lady, yung mga bosses namin dyan, Buscano, Morano, and Sir Bob Rivera, Coach Jake, yung mga coach ko, and mga teammates ko, and yung mga pamilya ko, and si Mama. Thank you.
Ayan, congratulations once again. At mga kasurog, don't forget to hit that like and share button para sa patinding quarter finals na mapapanood lang sa Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page, Ako Bicol Online TV at Ako Bicol YouTube channel. So in behalf of Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Party List, and to our Commissioner, Sir Lloyd Rivera, and to our Technical Head Director, Christian Calleja, This has been Jasmine Navales, your courtside reporter. Good night, everyone.